Welcome to this screencast on configuring Historic Preview using the web application. Historic Preview enables filtering of up to 25 targets over a maximum of 30 days, using a random 1% of the DataSift archive. This enables interactions from the archive to be retrieved much faster than real-time interactions, which makes this feature ideal for getting trend analysis and testing a filter before running a larger historic task. A list of sources and their earliest archived interactions can be located here in the DataSift documentation. By searching for schema and selecting Historic's archive schema. I'll go back to the DataSift dashboard and use the museum filter that filters for tweets about the 9/11 Memorial Museum that opened recently in New York. I confirm I'm using the museum filter before selecting Historic Preview. If Historic Preview has been run before, you will be prompted to overwrite Historic Preview or print out the report. I want to overwrite the previous Historic Preview. I'll leave the start date of midnight on May the 20th, 2014 and an end date of May the 21st, 2014. The time zone is set for Europe, London. Note the data processing unit cost is set to 12. If I click on the question mark, I can see a breakdown of the costs, which includes a default 10 DPU setup fee plus 2 DPUs for each day the preview is configured to run. There are 5 templates to choose from. Basic Preview, which contains 5 charts about all configured interactions. Twitter Preview, which contains similar charts that include only tweets. Links Preview shows the volume of links along with Twitter card data and Facebook Open Graph data. Natural Language Processing Preview is useful to natural language processing specialists and includes sentiment for the content and title of an interaction. If the demographics augmentation is enabled, the demographics preview shows anonymized demographic information, including gender, age, and location. Custom Preview generates charts by selecting targets from a list. I'll select interaction.content and I can see that the analysis type of volume and word cloud are selected. As I am filtering for tweets, I will use the Twitter preview. The message Your Preview is building now and a progress bar are displayed. I will pause the presentation while the preview completes. Historic Preview has completed and took approximately 2 minutes. The first chart is a word cloud, with Museum, 9/11 and Memorial being the most popular words in the content. Language tag has English being the most common language. Twitter ID contains the volume of interactions in the preview. Twitter user description word cloud is built from the user's description of themselves. We also have Twitter mentions, Twitter user time zones. Twitter user language contains the top languages found in the Twitter text. And finally, Twitter hashtags contains the hashtags found in the tweets. Thanks for watching this screencast. Look out for more screencasts in the Configuring Historic Previews series.